All right, guys, so we got the KAUGIC, and we are about to clean some ears. So I don't know about you, but if you're needing to make this happen, you are looking at this video and saying, what is this dude about to do? Well, we're going to clean some ears together because I have been waiting for this to make it happen. I don't know how it works, but we're going to find out together, and I'm going to tell you why you should get it. So we got the quick start guide here. Fill clean water in the tank with warm water, insert tube, switch the on and off power button for 2 seconds. Indicator, bam, bam, thank you, ma'am, rip roaring, and ready to go. Babe, can you get me some cotton swabs? Because we are going to need them. It says you need some cotton swabs on here to clean out the residue as well. So we're going to do that. So let's read through this together. Fill the tank, warm water. I got water right here. This is warm. Insert the tube, switch it on. When the water temperature indicator light is green, align the O. Okay, and rotate. So let's do it together. Oh, we got swabs in here. Don't need those, but we'll tell her when she comes back. That's okay. So let's see what these pieces are. These look like the nozzles. So you got a couple of them. I'm assuming so more than one person can use them. We got our unit right here, and then you do have a charge piece as well. It came with them. I didn't realize that, but it's okay. All right. So looks like you have 4 nozzles, different ones, so 4 different people can use it. That's kind of cool. And let's take a quick look. All right. So with this, you twist the top just like so. Makes it happen so you're able to pop that on. Now we're going to take this off. And you have a water tank. So on here you have clean water and sewage water. So we're going to drop in some clean water on this side. Okay. And I don't know, there is no top line. That's okay. I'm gonna drop it in until, okay, see there's a line on there. Boom, just like so. Okay, it says insert the tube and switch on the power. So we got the tube, turn on power. Okay, we got the power on. Okay, when the water temperature indicator is green, align it. So when it is green, so let's see what we hear. When the water temp indicator light is green, align it. So it's up here. We're going to wait for this to happen and see what we can do. All right, so once you have warm water in it, it's going to go green here. So when the light indicator is green, align the O. So we can go on this side. We can align the O, and then we can lock it down. So you're going to put this on there properly and lock it down. It says short press the power mode button to select the power mode. Insert the irrigation tip into the ear canal. Press spray water button to spray water and stop. Huh? Oh my goodness. We're about to do it. I mean, I don't know. Let's just give it a swirl. Huh? Spray water and stop. Here we go. So let's make sure short press the mode to select the mode. So let's go with strong. We're gonna go with soft first. So I click this. We're gonna go normal. We're just gonna do normal. So you click this button, it's gonna change it. And then this is your spray button as well right below it. So let's see what we do. And it says insert in the ear canal. Oh my goodness, this feels this.
Is it spraying?
I mean, no, but I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Here we go. All right, so press spray water button.
Oh, we can't see things.
You can't see anything.
Oh.
And that went everywhere. Okay. So I went ahead and just did that one time. Let's go ahead and see. So use this to clean it out. And that just went everywhere. That's all right. Let's try the other side. So here we go. So I think you want to make sure that you tilt it So as you sit like this, you want to make sure you tilt it up. So here we go. We're going to. Okay. So when you tilt it back down, it's going to drain it into the side of the unit. So that is pretty cool. And now I don't know how long you actually spray the water for, but we're going to look into that. I think you do it in pulsing spurts, so we can definitely make that happen. So let's go ahead and see if we got this cleaned out. There you go. Oh, all kinds of earwax there coming out. But now we can hear. So guys, this is the KAUGIC. This is pretty cool. Look how easy that was. I mean, super simple process to make this work. Obviously, you probably want to do it in a different area. I didn't realize how much of a mess I was going to make the first time. But if you tilt it down, it will drain out into the unit without any problems. Guys, at the end of the day, you know what we got to do? Check it out.